heard of the Bechdel test, let's talk about the sexy lamp test, which, yes, is indeed a real thing. The sexy lamp test was coined by Kelly Sue DeConnick, and it is basically exactly what it sounds like. It's a way of evaluating the quality of the representation of women in media by seeing if a given woman could be replaced by a very sexy lamp without any bearing on the plot. And yes, the lamp in question that inspired this test is in fact the leg lamp from A Christmas Story, so, you know, this is seasonal. The idea is that if all a woman character does is stand around and look sexy, then if you replace her with a sexy lamp, there probably won't be any difference, and she's not really a real person in the narrative, and you have a problem. And when it comes to evaluating the quality of women represented in media, I'm actually partial to the sexy lamp test over the Bechdel test in certain situations, because these two tests are actually meant to evaluate kind of different things. The Bechdel test, which if you don't know, asks, are there two named women in a narrative who have a conversation about something other than a man, is actually kind of more useful when it comes to looking at trends in media over time, which is why you'll often see things like out of so many movies made in a given year, only say 4 of them actually passed the Bechdel test. But sometimes you can have movies or books that have really well-written female characters that for whatever reason just don't pass the Bechdel test. So when it comes to looking at individual characters and individual pieces of media and less at trends, I kind of like the sexy lamp test, because it really asks, are these women here just to be sex objects, or are they here to actually do something for the story?